Okay guys, Jeff here from JB Customs. So bought this Jetta at auction and got told it had a head leak on it. Cylinder head had gone. Did a pressure test. It came back, yeah, there was leaking in the coolant system. And I took it out for a drive. Didn't overheat, didn't do anything, ran absolutely perfectly. So I did some research into it myself, and when I looked at it, give us a look. This is the new one, the thermostat housing. Okay, I've got the old one in the top garage there, I think. So let's go and have a quick look at that. I've got it somewhere anyway. That's it there. So the old one, it seemed to be leaking. When it was on its way around, does it go that way? It seemed to be leaking from around here when it was on, and then when I took it off I couldn't really see anything. I think you can just see it there. See if I can get a video. It's cracked, but it's very, very small. So anyway, bought a new one, Australia here, so a couple $100. Went to put it on. Should have been 20-25 minutes job, and I noticed that so this pipe goes on this way, and that runs down the back of the cylinder head, and it's getting pretty dark here, so I think you can just see that the end of it where the rubber o-ring sits was damaged. So had a look on the internet, couldn't find anything, and I thought, oh, I'll leave it. Can't be that hard. Bit of a nightmare, but when you know where all the bolts are. So I've already taken this apart. So what I'm going to try and do is I'll do some more videos, and I'll do it of us putting it back together so you can see where everything is. So obviously with this being the TSI, this is twin charged, so it's got a turbo at the front, supercharger at the back. So you've got inlet manifold, supercharger plenum, then supercharger, various pipes, cables, injector cables, and an inlet adapter. And so what we've got is we've got a boost pipe down there, which is a bit of a pain to come out. Let's have a look. So down the back here, see, there's a knock sensor down there. That's it, the injectors. One of the injectors actually come out with the manifold, so I'll probably get these injectors tested before I put it back together. Just make sure everything's sweet, because it has got 240,000 K on it. Turbo is through there, but there's no play on the bearings at all. That's just my finger moving around, and it spins absolutely perfectly freely, so I'm okay with that. What I will do is I will start putting it back together tomorrow. Sorry, no I won't, because I need to order this pipe. Where the hell have I put it now? So let's go in the light, because it's getting very dark quite quickly, and I've just seen I managed to clean some of the insulation up off the back, but I'll put the part number in. Where is it? There. Let's have a look. So yeah, what's that? 03C121065F. So we'll see if we'll find one of these, and we'll get that ordered, and then I'll do some more videos. Sorry, garage is an absolute tip at the minute. I've got about 19 projects ongoing. So that's a Golf GTI Mark 6, which I'm going to rebuild. Bought it a couple $100. And this is my Corrado G60, which I'm just busy doing some work on. We're busy pulling the engine out, and we've actually got the supercharger over there, which will be going away to get refurbished. I'm going to get that all done, get bearings and everything on it. So these are the parts off the Jetta anyway. So we've got inlet adapter, where we've got supercharger, some pipes, inlet manifold, supercharger plenum. So yeah, if you've got any questions up until I get the next episode on, just give us a shout. More than happy to help. And I will do, the next chapter will be of putting it back together, so then you can see where all the bolts go, how things go on, and then how you retension the super belt charger. The supercharger belt, sorry. Thanks guys, have a good day, bye.